Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well and safe and healthy. I'm coming to you from my home in Boston today where we are practicing social distancing and homeschooling and working from home as so many of us are around the world. And I've just been reflecting a lot lately on sort of the current situation and wanted to share some thoughts and even some updates with you on some things that we're doing at Rise Egypt, both addressing and talking about this issue of what's happening right now with Corona, and also some really major events that we've had over the past few months, which we were hoping to share in a different context. First and foremost, I know most of you know me as someone who leads Rise Egypt and is really passionate about social entrepreneurship and connecting innovators and the amazing work that's happening on the ground with expertise and professional diaspora from around the world. And that is, of course, my passion. But coming to that passion was from the avenue of being a public health researcher and someone who was really looking at social determinants of health, including in Egypt for many years, and who also studied infectious disease and disaster preparedness and did some research in that area, including in pandemics. And so I thought, given the current moment, I wanted to bring together the community for whoever is interested to join in a community conversation online. We'll be having it this Sunday at 4 p.m. Cairo time, 10 a.m. Eastern time on Zoom, and we'll share the flyer for that online with this message as well. But I wanted to sort of share the context in which we're doing this. So in January, we actually launched a new initiative, a major initiative for us called LEEP for Collaborative Impact. We've been working on it for more than 2 years, building the foundation and infrastructure for an online-offline platform that would connect many more social entrepreneurs on the ground to the types of resources, evidence-based resources and expertise that we have access to through our global network around the world. So it's taken, we've gone through an amazing journey that we would love to share more with you about with you. And in January, we launched LEEP for Collaborative Impact. And so we'll share a little short video that gives you a peek into what that was like at the launch event. We have a pilot going from January to June for LEEP with social innovators in the education and environmental sectors. More than 35 startups are with us in this pilot phase, and then we hope to open it up to many more, hundreds of innovators from across the country, and also hundreds of you from around the world to join in this community on this platform. Right now, we're sort of in the process of learning and tweaking and iterating as one does at the beginning of such a major initiative. So we're really excited to bring that to you and share more about that with you. And so we'll post a little video that gives you a sneak peek at what it was like at the launch event, and then retreat with these amazing social innovators from across Egypt in these two sectors of education and environment. We'll be updating you a lot more about what's going on throughout the pilot period as well. And I also want to share with you that we are moving a lot of our work online. And so while that poses a bit of a challenge in terms of us being able to connect as a community offline in Egypt, which was something we were all really looking forward to and had a lot of fun doing in the first few months in January and February, we are looking at the silver lining, which is that this could actually accelerate our timeline for really connecting our global and local communities to have more sharing and more connectedness in the months ahead. So we will be sharing more opportunities for us to get online together around some hot topics and important areas of learning, and we hope that you'll be able to join us. So the first one is going to be this Sunday around the topic of coronavirus, what it means, parsing the data, having a community conversation about what things are like in Egypt and the US, and what that's like by comparison, really looking at the evidence and talking about what we need to do to keep ourselves, our communities, and our businesses healthy and safe. So we hope you'll join us on Sunday, and we hope that you'll continue to follow the work that we're doing with LEAP and join us as we leap ahead to hopefully a more and more healthy and stable 2020 in the road ahead. Take care, everybody, and I hope you're doing well, and we'll talk to you soon.